Okay, so I've been looking forward to unboxing this for a while. So this is the Elgato video capture, and it's basically so that you can capture analog video, and I'll be using it to capture multiple VHS tapes. Well, I'll be unboxing it, of course. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's see what it says on the side. So it requires Mac OS 10 10.6.8 or later, Windows 7 or later, and an internet connection. So let's open it. Let's get rid of its value. So if we just there we go. All its value gone. There's all plastic, and now I'm assuming we can just crack it open here. Ooh. And just slide it open. Okay, so, oh, it's bigger than I thought it would be. So here's the unit itself, so it just plugs in via USB. It comes with an RCA to SCART adapter and an RCA cable. Don't need any more of these, we've already got way too much. So yeah, this is what it says in the box. It's just got instructions for how to connect it to the inputs. Yeah, so shall we just get everything out of its packaging? Hopefully you don't slice any fingers off here. So that's the SCART to RCA adapter. Here's our RCA cable, I'm assuming it's 1 meter. And then here's the capture card itself. Oh, there's a seal on it. Let's take that seal off. Ooh, it's a good seal. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. So keep an eye out for my review on this thing, which will be in a couple of weeks probably. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe. I will catch you guys next time.